Hola, young amigos. Welcome to week 2, Los Colores. We're going to have some fun with the colors this week, so let's jump in and get started. The first one we have is rojo. Rojo. Santa Claus dresses in red and says, ho, 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 rojo. If you can remember that, that's great. Apple is another thing that you can think of when you think of the word rojo. And there are different forms. Colors are adjectives, and so our adjectives are going to have different forms, which I'm just going to tell you that much for now and then tell you more about it later. We have something called a masculine form, which is rojo, or we have a feminine form of this word, which is roja. And then we also have a plural, so it could be rojos or rojas. Okay, so all of those words mean red, but for right now, you just really need to learn rojo. Okay, repitan, rojo. Blue. Blue sneezes. Achoo! Or azul. The word for blue in Spanish is azul, much like a sneeze. So if you can think of a sneeze when you're thinking blue, blue sneezes. Azul. The plural form is azules. Take out the R from armadillo. Make sure your LL sounds like a Y. Say the word amadillo, and it will almost sound the same as amarillo, yellow. So think armadillo is yellow, amarillo. Okay, the different forms of amarillo based on a masculine word are going to be amarillo. A feminine word is going to be amarilla. A masculine plural word will be amarillos and amarillas. So all four of those words, amarillo, amarilla, amarillos, amarillas, all of them mean yellow. Green bears have their own calendar day on verde, which almost sounds like verde, green. Okay, so think about Good Luck Bear here. Perhaps his birthday, his bear day, is on March 17th, which is St. Patrick's Day. So green bear, verde. The plural is verdes. A plant in a black, dark room will have no grow. Instead of saying no grow, say negro, which almost sounds like negro, black. Different forms, negro, negra, negros, or negras. All of those mean black. What color comes to mind when you think of a blank space or canvas? Blanco, white. The different forms, blanco, blanca, blancos, blancas. All of those mean white. There is more shadow on a purple wall than on a black wall. Take out the sh from more shadow and you get morado. Sounds almost like morado, purple. So think of shadows with purple. Take off the sh and then morado is purple. The different forms, morado, morada, morados, and moradas all mean purple. What do some grown-ups like to drink in the morning? Coffee at the cafeteria sounds like café. The word café is used for the drink, so that's how you say coffee. It's café. And also the color, café. That's brown. The plural form, cafés. The pink rose sounds like the color rosa or rosado. Both of those mean pink. Rosado has 4 different forms. Rosado, rosada, rosados, or rosadas. Using rosa would just have 2 forms, just rosa, and then the plural is rosas. The gris leaking from a car is gray. The word gris sounds like gris, gray. The plural, grises. This is a picture of Anna running. Separate the words into 4 parts. Anaranjado. And as an exclamation, anaranjado. Take the R in hard out, and it sounds like anaranjado, orange. So this is probably the hardest word, the hardest color to say in Spanish. Anaranjado. So anaranjado, but take out the R and make sure you're pronouncing your vowels as you should pronounce them in Spanish. Now the fruit, to talk about an orange, the fruit is called naranja. So that's a little bit different than anaranjado. The different forms, anaranjado, anaranjada, anaranjados, anaranjadas. And we have about 10 more color words that are less common, but still possibly words some of you might like to know. So turquesa, turquoise, azul marino, navy blue, azul claro, light blue. And this word claro can be used with any color to mean light. Verde oscuro, dark green. And this word oscuro can be used with any color to mean dark. Violeta, lighter purple or violet. De oro, gold or golden. De plata, silver. Bronceado, bronze. Cobrizo, copper. And this is a fun one, fosforescente. And it's hard to say. That means fluorescent. Fosforescente. Here are some Q&As, questions and answers. ¿Cuál es tu color favorito? What is your favorite color? Mi color favorito es, and then you plug in. So you should be able to ask the question, what is your favorite color? And my favorite color is, and tell yours. So I would say, mi color favorito es morado. Remember what morado is? Think about the shadow, purple. ¿Te gusta el color? So you can ask somebody, do you like the color pink? ¿Te gusta el color rosa? Sí, me gusta el color rosa. Yes, I like the color green, or the color pink. No, I don't like the color pink. No, no me gusta el color rosa. What color is it, if you're identifying something? ¿Qué color es? It is. So let's do some of that right now. I'll ask a question, what color is it? And using the colors that we're learning right now, say out loud what it is, and then I will provide the answer as well. ¿Qué color es? Anaranjado. ¿Qué color es? Morado. ¿Qué color es? Amarillo. Does anybody see another color here? Amarillo y verde. The word Y, or the letter Y, is the word and in Spanish, and it's pronounced y. Amarillo y verde. ¿Qué color es? Rojo. Now, there's actually two here, so I'm asking what color is it? What if we want to say what color are they? I'll say, ¿qué color son? Son is the plural. What color are they? And these are dice, and so we're going to call them rojos. The stuff I was talking about before with the different forms, how there's 4 different ways to say red. Well, here's an example of one of those other ones. Because there's more than one, we're going to use the plural. ¿Qué color es? Gris. ¿Qué color son? Azul. But since there's more than one, we're going to use the plural form, which you add an es to a word that ends in a consonant. Azules. Remember back to the sneezing, the blue sneezes. Azul. ¿Qué color son? These are zapatillas. So we're going to call these rosadas or rosas. So this is going to be the plural form of those. Okay, and that ends the introduction of Los Colores. It's time to get back into the course and continue through the work to help you focus on studying, learning, and practicing los colores and how to talk about them. Gracias. Adios.